shoot.
Backhill. Makita dagiti kabayok ditan ni kasla palaka. Oh. Saradon. Awanan, nakasara tidalan kano. Road closed, so we're gonna turn around and go back to where we started. We're done in here. We're heading to finally Livingston, Montana. It's gonna be 5.5 hour drive. Oh, 6 hours and whatever. 6 hours. Parang Minnesota lang at saka Chicago. 6 hours. Kabayok ni. Oh, dagiti kabayok ada dyan ni. Empati mo di kabayok kon lagay. Look at that. Nya? Awan hantay nakakita ti bison. Ganda pa naman ang patio nitong kuan. Ito pala nakita ko maganda ang patio na Dairy Queen, pero sarado na alas 7 na kasi. Hanggang alas 7 lang pala. 8:51, that is Minnesota time. 7:51 dito, mag-alas 8 na. So,
Imin basit iti tao.
dito lang tayo sa drive-thru.
Ipa katanda kita gayad iti.
Yeah. Ang bata oh.
Ano sana kati bayad ang employee ko. Intik pa nga ikon. Bayadan na yung employee na.
Oh, may pamilya pala siya doon oh, yung pusa. Kala ko stray cat. Siguro alaga nila dyan. Oh, may mga kitten pa. Oh, wow. May mga kitty.
Ang anak nila.
Oo. The other side is the Forsyth Fire Hall. So this is Forsyth, Montana.
I have one 7 meal deals original cheeseburger.
I'm sorry, what was that?
One original cheeseburger meal deal.
The $7 meal deal?
Yes.
Alright, and then what drink?
Root beer.
No. Do you have lemonade? Do you have lemonade?
Yeah, we have lemonade.
Yeah, lemonade for that.
Okay.
And then niya talaga
What
agi
Sunday?
7 din ka.
Uh,
Strawberry.
what is that, Daddy? Shakes. Strawberry shakes, please.
Saban. Yes, Sunday yun. Okay, and then mga lakati
I'm sorry, what
7.
Sunday?
The
No, I'm
strawberry.
not getting one.
Okay.
And then one 7 meal deals chicken strip.
And what drink?
Anong drinks mo? Sprite.
Okay.
Oh.
7-Up okay?
Yeah, 7-Up is okay. About the
Alright,
Sunday.
and what Sunday?
Yung Sunday kay nanay, sabi niya vanilla.
At kadwa di 7 meal deal tayo dyan.
Oh, nauwi ba ko?
Caramel please.
Caramel?
Yes.
Alright.
And then
what dipping sauce?
what's your dipping sauce?
What do you have? You asked Daddy.
Anything else?
And then
That's
one shakes vanilla.
Sorry, what was that?
Shakes vanilla.
A banana shake?
Mahirap
Yes.
intindihin si Daddy.
Give me
He doesn't know how
medium.
to make it simple.
Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
That will be 1889.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're in Forsyth, Montana. There you go. Can we have ketchup and what is it, Baba?
The bagay na.
Ketchup and ranch, Daddy.
Can I have ketchup and ranch, please?
Oh yeah, I'll put it in your food.
All right. Thank you. Jasmine.
That's his
Madali
Sunday.
Anya yes.
Now I hope we're going straight now. We already had gas on the other side, and now we're here at Dairy Queen. Kasi gusto niya babautin ang
It's southeast on South 13th Avenue toward Front Street, then
Warm
turn right
food.
onto Front Street.
what the heck, that's so loud. Ready nang umalis si Google, uy. Brain freeze.
Wala akong brain freeze.
Wala kang brain?
Wala kang brain?
Wala kasi di naman.
That is mean daw, Daddy.
This is yours, Jasmine. Chicken sandwich. Thank you.
Turn right onto Front Street.
Sanay talaga ito winning nga talaga pagtiladahan tayo ko.
Tagad daw,
Continue on Front Street for 1 mile.
Oh, cute house. Gabi na, Forsyth. Kaya sarado na lahat yung mga kainan mo. Alas 5, sarado na. Pag maliit na town talaga, sarado, maaga yung mga kainan. Samantalang doon sa Minnesota hanggang alas 10 pa, alas 9 ang pinakamaaga. Alas 11 pa nga.
Talalang hindi kasi maliwanag pa.
Ano, winter dyan?
3 more than 3 hours pa yung biyahe natin sa Livingston. Good night, Montana. Beautiful skies, beautiful sunset.
Onto the I-94 West ramp, then merge onto I-94 West.